Everybody in the place, we go to outer space. To Mars and beyond.
This is Mission Commander. Voyagers, come take a ride with me.
Everybody in the place. Everybody in the place. Everybody in the place. We go to outer space.
This summer, To Mars and Beyond will take your church beyond with faith, boldness, kindness, thankfulness, and hope. And we do it all through an amazing space theme.
The whole outer space theme, like going to Mars, like who wouldn't want to go to Mars?
Each day, our assemblies will take young Voyagers on amazing adventures where they will discover God's love and power.
This is Captain 2B Yon of the Starship Galaxian, calling from the far reaches of the Astros.
Having to think of it like hip and having, you know, like a cool robot in the back, I think that's awesome for kids to have.
That robot was so awesome.
This year's adventure video includes the life-size robot, Captain Tubion.
Please help us, Mars Outpost. We can't get home without you.
This year's puppet, EP320, and of course, this awesome spacecraft set.
They're just a big sticker. You just put them onto whatever surface you want. This is insulation board. You can put it on foam board, cardboard, whatever works for you.
To Mars and Beyond will help your students to go beyond with music that will reinforce God's love for them.
To the left, to the left, to the right, touch forward, touch back, right side, left side. Our voices grow strong as we thank you for all you've done for us. Oh, we thank you, we thank you, we thank you for all that you've done for us.
The theme verse for this year, which is Ephesians 3:20, reminds us to say glory to God because He is able to do far beyond all that we can ask or imagine.
Glory to God who can do far beyond all that we could ask or imagine. By His power within us, God can do.
So I hope you enjoy the music. It's very high energy. It brings the thrill and excitement of a space adventure while also reminding us that God is personal and that Jesus wants a relationship with us and that His power is at work within us.
God of wonders beyond our galaxy. You are holy, holy. The universe declares your majesty. You are holy, holy. It's love that makes the world go round. Jesus is where true love is found. Let His love shine through you to brighten up the world. Come on everybody, we can make a difference. Every boy and girl, behind me, above me, below me.
My kids really enjoyed the VBS. The songs were engaging and the dance moves were fun. It really brought my introvert out of his shell.
Hey, we're on our way to Mars. Hey, we're waving to the stars. We will learn to trust God's power at work in us. Hey, we're on our way to Mars and beyond.
Our science lessons and crafts will do more than just entertain your Galaxy Voyagers. They will also educate.
My science-loving daughter loved this VBS.
That's great.
Far beyond all that we could ask or imagine. By His power within us, God can do far beyond all that we could
want the best music, the best experience, you need to come to Mars and Beyond.
This was the coolest VBS ever.
To Mars and beyond. Explore where God's power will take you.